What is up guys, and welcome to the third episode of my level guide. We first have to buy a new rod setup for spin fishing. For that we are choosing the Elemental 200 as the rod and the Windcast 1500 as our reel. We also need a new keep net, the Fish Hut M. The line we are using is the fluoroline from the tutorial at the beginning. What I forgot to show on screen is that you have to buy the purple narrow spoon in the Lures tab for bait coins. If you have everything, make sure to equip it. Then you have to buy the advanced license for Rocky Lake. Now enter the map and go to the location I am going. I will catch a fish now and show you the coordinates. You can either throw there or to the other spot I'm showing you later. At this location there are two spots. Behind the log and where the little stream comes in. Throw where you want and use the stop and go method with 2x speed. As you can see, trout give really good money and XP for the beginning. If you want to have better chances, press T and skip to peak time. Here is the spot where I caught the trout. If you want to, you can use it. But now I will show you the other spot. Cast in between the stones to catch fish and unique Colorado golden trout. As you can see, I caught one on first cast and it gives good XP. I will show you the spot now. Now I have another unique trout on the line, but this time it's a cutthroat. Of course, here is the location. Finally, we are level 10. If you have $13,000 and 7 bait coins, you can leave now. If not, you have to farm a bit further, but if you followed the videos you should have enough. What I am showing you right now is Emerald Lake, where we are going to have a lot of fun. A short disclaimer. As higher as in level we get, the more it takes me to make the videos, because sadly I can't have magic forces and I have to farm everything too. We are going to buy new stuff. Buy everything I show on screen. But first put everything away except the narrow spoon and the rod. You need the Esperaslim 2500, 0.23 mm 1000 meters or 0.01 inch and 1000 yards fluoro line. The Stringer Fish Jail XS. Now equip everything so we have it for the Emerald Lake. Ignore that it says the line is too strong, just trust me.